Okay, this is number 10 on the review. You're asked to graph the inequality and check the solutions. Okay, so you can do this in two ways, and I'm going to show the first way. The first way is to solve for y. Put it in the slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b. Oops. Not sure what happened here. Y is equal to mx plus b. That's one way of doing it. Okay, so let's do it this way first. So I have the inequality. So I'm going to solve for y. So my first step is going to be, let me rewrite the equation down here. Minus 2x minus 4y is equal to, I'm sorry, minus 4y is greater than or equal to negative 16. Okay? Now I want to get y. I want to put this equation in this format. So you see that the y is on the left side. So to do that, I'm going to add plus 2x on both sides, right? That goes away. That leaves me with negative 4y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 16. All right, let me get some more space. Now I want y by itself, but it's been multiplied by a negative 4. Inverse operation to get rid of negative 4. So I divide by negative 4. And again, I have to do the same thing on the right side. Negative 4 divided by negative 4. Now, that goes away. That leaves me with y. But here we go now. I'm dividing by a negative number. Therefore, my sign is going to change. So less than or equal to. All right. 2 divided by negative 4 is negative 1/2 x, right? Plus 16 divided by negative 16 divided by negative 4 is going to give me a positive 4. All right. So that's one way of doing it. Now you recognize I have my y-intercept and I have my slope, which is my rise or run, which is negative 1/2. All right. So if I go to my graph really quick, all right, I start with 4, and then according to my slope, which is negative 1/2, rise or run, I'm going to go down 1 and go across 2. 1, 2. All right. Now, because it's a less than or equal to, I'm going to have a solid line. All right. Let me draw it in different colors. It's going to be a solid line going to the points. And then because it's less than, my solution set is going to be everything below this line right here is my solution set. Now, is 2, 5 in my solution set? 2, 5, 2, and 5. That's outside my solution set, so that's a no. Okay. Is 4, 2 in my solution set? 4, 2, 4, 2. Yes. 4, 2 looks like it's on the line, so that's a yes. What about negative 1, 0? Negative 1, 0. Yes. All right. That's the my solution set. So that's a yes. Okay. So that's one way of doing it. Okay. Let's do the other way. Okay. Now remember, I need 2 points to draw the line. And remember in class, I showed how to find the x and y intercept, right? The x-intercept, because the line is in a standard form, it's going to be c over a. C over a. So in this case, my c is negative 16, right? So that's going to be negative 16 over, and my a is 2, negative 2. That's my x-intercept. That's going to give me 8. So my x-intercept is 8, 0. And I'm seeing an issue with this right now because my graph doesn't go to 8, but we can work with it. That's my x-intercept. All right. Let's go with my y-intercept. That one needs more space, so let me erase this from down here. Oops, let me erase. this. Okay. So my y-intercept from class, remember, y-intercept is c over b, which is equal to my c is negative 16 and my b is negative 4. Get some more space. That's going to give me 4. So my y-intercept is 0, 4. And you can see that it's actually 0, 4 from the first way of doing it. Now I have 2 points I can put on the graph. So let me go back to the graph now. I'm going to clean off this graph, all right, so we can see. Let me clean this off. All right. So I have 0, 4, 0, 4. That's my y-intercept. That's my y-intercept. And then my x-intercept, we said is 8, 0. And you can look at 8, 0, it's going to be off the chart a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 0 here. That's 5, 6, 7. That's right up here. So I have my 2 points now. All I have to do is connect my 2 points. All right. Now we got to figure out which side of the line is the solution set. All right. I just pick 0, 0. I'm going to pick up point 0, 0 and substitute back into this equation. All right. And if 0, 0 satisfy the equation, then I know that the solution set is below. All right. So let's try 0, 0. Let me go back and erase this stuff right here since we've already done it. Let's erase this stuff right here. Oops, erase. So I have more space. Okay. I like this way because it's shorter. I don't have to solve an equation to get y. So let's try 0, 0. My point is 0, 0. That's the point from the graph. I'm going to plug into this equation right here. So when x is 0, I have minus 2 times 0 minus when y is 0, I have 4 times 0. The sign is greater than or equal to negative 16. So this becomes, my left side is 0. This is 0. That is 0, greater than or equal to negative 16. All right? Is 0, the question is this statement true? Is 0 greater than negative 16? That is a true statement. Therefore, I know that my solution set is below this line. All right? I don't want this to be a long video, but we can discuss in class tomorrow. Again, given the equations in standard format, just find your x and y intercept, plot on a graph, draw the line, just pick any point on the graph and plug it into the equation. And if the equation is satisfied, then that's the side your solution set is on.